usually evolved. Like it is now, it has to be consumed in a way, no, that is more organic, I would say, to everybody. So it's beautiful how Unilever is really going forward with this and just having everyone, all the Filipinos coming together and really championing not only the culture but the cuisine. No? Now we're seeing more and more how world-class Filipino cuisine can actually be, and there's more potential there. But my question is, I know that Unilever really ventures into a lot of R&D, really thinking about what to feature, but in a 6-episode Asian regional drama must be a very difficult feat to actually find the particular products to shine light on and which food you want to feature. Because there's so much. I mean, just adobo and sinigang alone has what, 1,000 different variations. So how do you do that process with View as well, picking out which Unilever product and food and process we're going to shine light on?
We focus on anything that's the top dishes in the Philippines, top dishes in Indonesia. That's as simple as that. All of the favorites of these people in those countries is what we really want to highlight. And I think that integrating into the story, as you said, organically, where you guys watch K-drama with your full attention there, right? And with your full attention at the food creation shots, right? So that's exactly what we wanted to land in this project.
Yeah, I can just say, I mean, off the top of my head, just the execution was seamless. You just don't feel it's there, but you know it's there. So your subconscious is like, oh my God, I'm gonna cook that when
That's why you should have food with your...
Always, I think. You might as well watch in the kitchen. Para makasabay ka na rin. That's how you devane a shrimp pala, ha? But of course, with an opa, dapat kasama. Ay, hindi pala kasama na. I thought that was the secret ingredient. Sorry. I tried to be wrong. Ingat talaga. Wow. Okay, this time naman, can you share? Because, of course, out of the Asian countries, we're highlighting for the first one. I'd like to say the first one because I hope first of many for View and Unilever. For the first one, we're highlighting Philippines, South Korea, and Indonesia. Why? Is there a particular hierarchy or something that you're, or just, yeah?
So if I start, I look at it at the, a Unilever lens. Indonesia and the Philippines are our two biggest markets. And highlighting on them, doing anything with impact in these two markets to really move the needle for the business. But of course, when we look at also within the region, our top dishes are very much unique as well. You look at the Philippines and Indonesia, the taste profiles are different. And I think that was what we also wanted to land in terms of like delivering it here in the secret ingredient.
Ganda. Ako talaga, I was such an immediate fan only because, again, it was seamless but also very impactful. Like every scene felt so bigger, parang bigger than life yung feeling niya. Like when you do shots kasi like that for food, and it's so close to the screen, it makes you parang mouth-water. Yan talaga siya.
That's the intention talaga. And Corinne, thank you for making that happen.
Yeah!
Corinne team.
Miss Karina, good job on that because talagang sabi ko, hindi pa pala magdi-dinner, mag-question and answer pa pala kami. So, yung pala yun. But right now, we're gonna open the floor to the questions of our media, which I'm so sure they're all so excited. I'm not sure if I've already covered some, but I'm not quite particular how we're gonna pick. Do we have somebody from our production team to pick which one is gonna speak? Yes. Yes, ma'am. Okay, you're gonna have to pick for me because my eyes are bad. Okay, first up we have, and can we also have Miss Jack Inocencio? Can we have another seat, please? Because Miss Jack will be joining in our panel. Miss Jack. Hi, kasama po kayo, Miss Jack. Sama kita, Miss Jack. Dito pa. Question and answer, Miss Jack. Ang semi-finalist, wow, ganyan. Okay, so our first question, can you kindly introduce yourself and please address whoever you want to ask. We have, of course, Miss Jack, Miss Karina, Jules, and Sir Jackie.
Hi, I'm Stephanie Mayo from the Daily Tribune.
Hi.
This is for our readers who are yet to see the show. So for the showrunners, no, what type of viewer is going to love the show, and what's going to surprise the audience about the show?
There's going to be a lot more surprises. We really tried that every episode there's a huge cliffhanger. So as you saw in episode 1 and 2, you want to know what's next. I think you'll start to see that in every episode na it's kind of a edge of your seat what's going to happen. And so I don't want to reveal the surprise. You have to watch it. And also I think if you enjoyed the killing and the intense story of what it's like in a kitchen and the love story that grows, I think there's a lot more to look forward to for the viewers.
Thank you. What were the challenges in bringing the script to life?
Well, this is the first time, at least I know for View, that we had 4 different languages in our scripts. We had English, Korean, Bahasa, and Tagalog. And it was really wanting to make sure we got it right and we were authentic to all the languages, the accents, the way people speak. We wanted to really get that right. And I only speak English and Tagalog, so I can only go that far. So there's the trust of working with our other View offices, View Indonesia and View Korea, to make sure to help us that the authenticity for the different languages and the culture is correct.
Great, thank you. For Julia, what attracted you to this particular project?
Actually, it's so rare for me to be pitched a project and then even before reading a script, I'm already on board. This is one of the few projects pitched to me doing the Zoom with Karina. Eto na tayo. Talagang multi-ano na talaga tayo. We did the Zoom. She told me more or less the story. And I had already told her I was on board. Just send me the script so I have an idea of what's going to happen, but you have me on board. It's a new opportunity. It's not an opportunity you come across every day. I think it's still a challenge for us Filipino artists just trying to just get on the global stage and have different experiences, being able to work with different productions. So just being able to just even being chosen to do this is, I really value it. I really cherish this opportunity. So from the get-go, I was on board.
Now this is my last question. It's a little bit personal, but for Julia, you're one of yes. You're one of the most famous actresses in the Philippines and has a quite successful career. How has this made an impact on your personal growth?
Doing Secret Ingredient.
Doing
the show in general.
Your successful career?
I think this is such a huge opportunity for me alone, and just this alone being a global series, and then being able to work with SH, who's from Korea, and then Nicholas, who's also from Indonesia, having a Korean director. There's just so much growth alone, even being on the set of this, because you're almost required to adapt right away, adjust right away, especially that, you know, we all had our differences, but thankfully we really did get along. We were all on the same page. We all had one goal. We were all aligned. We wanted this to come out really beautifully. So, I mean, I think just being in an environment doing this series, just having to adapt and to adjust and getting out of my comfort zone alone, I feel like it's already growth for me alone. So hopefully, praying to God, there's more to come.
Thank you very much, Nancy.
Thank you.
Thank you. For our next question.
Hi again, Anna for TV Patrol. Hi Julia, hello everyone. Julia, for us kasi, King Dimples, halatang-halata, 10 out of 10 yung kilig namin. Pero for you, ano ang kilig rating mo sa mga scenes?
Super! Kujali na lang ako sa set, pero talagang inside, Sa dalawa.
And I think this whole,
Sa totoo lang.
and this whole experience, naman, not just sa ating mga
Of
star-studded
course.
cast,
With everything.
Okay, and next question, Julia, and for everyone, and for Miss Karina.
Of course.
Episode 2 na tayo, and this is only 6 episodes. I am very anxious na mabibitin ako. Mabibitin ba kami?
Na-stress Na-stress. Nasa TV Patrol to bukas. Na-stress ako. Eh, yun ang line.
Almost halfway na tayo.
It's so true. Hindi ko naman halfway. May isa pong episode pa naman halfway.
Pero kinakabahan na ako.
Oo.
But yeah, so also, meron bang baka season 2 to? Or mabibitin ba kami? Like, what is, yes!
Nagtuturoan, Miss Jen, do you wanna answer that?
Unilever ata yung
Yes, ma'am.
I don't feel any pressure right now, ma'am. Miss Jen, gusto mo sagutin niyo, Miss Jen?
No, I think, what do you call this? I think it's a very promising partnership. Let me start with that.
Agreed.
And the fact that, yun nga, we've seen the reactions of everyone. We're all very, very excited. I know you won't believe me, but we haven't watched the whole thing too. Who knows? We are a very staunch supporter of storytelling, unique storytelling at that. I was telling our team now, one of the things that we were very worried about when we were doing this project is ayaw namin ng hard sell.
Yeah.
We want the center to be the story first, and then the food as very naturally a part of the memorable moments that really come with how we experience food. So we're all hoping for a season 2. Let's see what happens, and we look forward to everyone's support.
And definitely sa next episodes, puno ba ito ng pasabog? And na-mention ni SH sa stories, biggest cooking contest in Jakarta. Is this also parang biggest naaabangan namin sa series?
Yes. And you know, when we were shooting it, I think Julia, when you and SH came out to the set, both of you were like, wow. Kasi ang laki ng set, and ganda, parang Iron Chef yung set, no?
Oo, parang minsan ka lang, diba? Alam mo yan?
Yeah.
Yung production design.
Yeah.
Sabi ko,